Have you ever wished for a magic wand to handle all your business appointments, customer reminders, and even payments, all in one seamless swoop? For many small business owners, freelancers, and service providers, managing bookings can feel like a full-time job in itself. The endless back-and-forth emails, the forgotten appointments, the struggle to integrate your calendar with your payment system. It all adds up to a mountain of administrative tasks that pull you away from what you do best, serving your clients. Imagine a world where your customers can effortlessly book their own appointments online, at any time of day or night, without you lifting a finger. A world where no-shows are drastically reduced thanks to automated reminders. A world where you can accept payments directly through your booking system, simplifying your financial transactions. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not magic, but it's pretty close. Welcome to the world of Setmore Pro. For those unfamiliar, Setmore is a popular online appointment scheduling platform. It offers a fantastic free plan that's a brilliant starting point for many. It provides a customizable booking page, calendar management, and essential email notifications. But as businesses grow, their needs evolve, and that's where Setmore Pro steps in. Setmore Pro isn't just an upgrade. It's a powerful engine designed to accelerate your business growth by offering a suite of advanced features that streamline your operations and enhance your customer experience. So, what exactly is Setmore Pro and why should you consider it for your business? Let's dive deep into the features and benefits that make Setmore Pro a game-changer for service-based businesses. One of the most significant advantages of Setmore Pro is its ability to reduce no-shows through automated text reminders. We've all been there. A client forgets an appointment, leaving a costly gap in your schedule. While the free plan offers email reminders, Setmore Pro takes it a step further with SMS reminders. These timely text messages, sent automatically hours or even days before an appointment, serve as a gentle nudge, significantly decreasing the chances of a client forgetting their booking. What's even better is the customization options. You can tailor the content of these messages to include specific details like the service, provider, date, and time, making them highly personal and effective. It's a set it and forget it feature that saves you money and eliminates awkward conversations about missed appointments. Another standout feature of Setmore Pro is its two-way calendar sync. In today's busy world, balancing personal and professional commitments can be a challenge. You might have a separate calendar for family events, doctor's appointments, or personal errands. Setmore Pro seamlessly integrates with popular calendar applications like Google Calendar and Office 365, allowing for a two-way sync. This means your Setmore appointments are automatically exported to your personal calendar, and your personal events are imported into your Setmore calendar. No more double bookings, no more scheduling conflicts. Your entire life, both professional and personal, can be viewed and managed from a single, unified perspective. This level of organization is invaluable for maintaining a healthy work-life balance and ensuring you're always on top of your schedule. Beyond just scheduling, Setmore Pro empowers you to turn time directly into money with online payments. The ability to accept payments upfront is a massive benefit. Setmore Pro integrates with leading payment gateways like Stripe, allowing you to securely take credit and debit card payments directly through your calendar or your booking page. This not only secures a firm commitment from your customers, reducing the likelihood of last-minute cancellations, but it also frees up valuable time during the actual appointment. Instead of fumbling with payment terminals or chasing invoices, you can focus entirely on delivering your service, providing a smoother and more professional experience for your clients. You can even generate receipts for payments recorded, further streamlining your financial management. For businesses that rely on repeat customers, Setmore Pro offers a fantastic feature: recurring appointments. Building customer loyalty is crucial for sustainable growth. Setmore Pro makes it incredibly easy to book a series of repeating appointments in one go. Whether it's a weekly coaching session, a monthly massage, or a series of fitness classes, you can schedule it all with just a few clicks. This is a game changer for retaining your regulars and ensuring they always have a spot in your calendar. The same goes for recurring classes, allowing you to manage group bookings efficiently and ensure all interested participants have an equal opportunity to attend. As your business expands, so too will your team. Setmore Pro offers flexible user management options. While the free plan allows for up to 4 staff profiles, the Pro plan is ideal for 1 to 2 users, and if you need to go beyond that, Setmore offers a team subscription with modular increases to your subscription rate. This scalability ensures that Setmore grows with your business, allowing you to add team members as needed and empower them to manage their own schedules and bookings. Each staff member can have their own login and access levels, ensuring efficient collaboration and clear responsibilities. Beyond these core features, Setmore Pro also boasts a range of other valuable functionalities. You can customize your online booking page to reflect your brand identity, adding your logo, service menu, and even displaying customer reviews to encourage new bookings. Setmore Pro allows you to remove Setmore's branding from your booking page, giving it an even more professional and cohesive look. For businesses that conduct virtual meetings, Setmore Pro seamlessly integrates with video conferencing tools like Zoom and Google Meet, automatically generating meeting links and including them in confirmation emails. This makes it effortless to connect with clients globally, expanding your reach beyond geographical limitations. Furthermore, Setmore Pro allows you to automate Google review requests. Positive reviews are vital for building trust and attracting new clients. With Setmore Pro, you can configure automatic emails to be sent to customers after their appointments, prompting them to leave a review. This helps you consistently gather valuable feedback and showcase your excellent service. When it comes to integrations, Setmore Pro truly shines. Beyond calendar and payment integrations, Setmore can connect with a wide array of other popular business apps through platforms like Zapier. This means you can automate workflows, connect your booking data with your CRM, email marketing platforms like MailChimp, or even project management tools like Trello. The possibilities for streamlining your operations are vast, allowing you to build a powerful ecosystem around your scheduling needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.